You might think the Indeed MV Ask forum is just job listings and random chatter, but here's the truth. Real professionals are dropping gold when it comes to passing the molecular biology ASCP exam. And later, I'll reveal the biggest myth most candidates fall for. This video is your shortcut to the most useful, proven insights from the Indeed MV Ask forum. We'll cover common pitfalls, what actually works, and leave out the fluff. MLSIacademy.com is built for lab pros who want straight answers and ASCP exam success. Let's dive in. First, the Indeed MV Ask forum is packed with experience from those who've already passed. One top insight, resources like Media Lab, LabC, and last-minute crash quizzes from sources like passascp.org are game changers for reviewing. But here's the common mistake, blindly following what worked for someone else. The most successful users in the forum say it's all about mixing those resources with your practice style and identifying weak spots. Another tip from the Indeed MV Asked forum, clinical experience matters more than you think. Several posters with years as molecular scientists say time in real labs often made more sense of tricky test questions than textbook cramming ever did. And don't get fooled by forum posts suggesting shortcuts. ASCP exam eligibility and requirements are strict. Always double-check at the official ASCP site. Don't trust anyone who tells you otherwise in a forum thread. Thousands of lab professionals have already passed ASCP exams using MLSI Academy's expert-led prep, live classes, video lessons, study guides, and QBanks at dash.mlsiacademy.com. To wrap up, if you want real advice, the Indeed MV Ask forum is useful, but use it wisely. Mix insights, focus your prep, and always verify facts at the official source. For more proven prep tools, check out MLSI. Next time, we'll unpack MV Ask Connect. Subscribe so you don't miss it.